Have you ever wished for a magic wand? Gardening is a bit like magic, but even better. You plant tiny seeds and they grow into colorful flowers and yummy food. It's like having a secret garden just for you. Gardening is super fun and rewarding. You get to play in the dirt, get your hands dirty, and watch amazing things grow. Imagine picking juicy strawberries warm from the sun or smelling the sweet scent of flowers you grew yourself. That's the magic of gardening, a joy for everyone. Gardening is good for you and the planet. It's a fun and rewarding activity that everyone can enjoy, no matter your age. Whether you're planting flowers, vegetables, or herbs, there's something magical about watching your garden grow. When you grow your own food, it's super fresh and healthy. You get to enjoy the fruits of your labor, knowing that what you're eating is free from harmful chemicals and pesticides. You know exactly what's going into it. Plus, gardening teaches you patience and responsibility as you care for your plants and watch them thrive. Plants also help clean the air by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. This makes our environment healthier and more pleasant to live in, and give us oxygen to breathe. Spending time in a garden can also reduce stress and improve your mood, making you feel happier and more relaxed. Plus, you can share your yummy veggies with your family and friends, creating a sense of community and togetherness. And beautiful flowers with family and friends. Imagine the joy on their faces when you give them a bouquet of flowers you grew yourself. Did you know that many African American gardeners have made gardening super cool? They have contributed significantly to the art and science of gardening. George Washington Carver was amazing. He was a pioneer in agricultural science and made incredible discoveries. He discovered tons of ways to use peanuts to help people. His work has had a lasting impact on agriculture and gardening. You can be a gardening superstar too. Start small, be patient, and soon you'll see the fruits of your labor. Happy gardening! Ready to start your own garden? It's easy peasy. Gardening is a fun and rewarding activity that you can enjoy with your family. Whether you have a big backyard or just a small balcony, you can create a beautiful garden space. First, find a sunny spot in your yard or balcony. Plants need plenty of sunlight to grow strong and healthy. Look for a place that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. You can use pots, buckets, or even old shoes. Get creative. The containers you choose can add a unique touch to your garden. Just make sure they have drainage holes to prevent water from accumulating. Fill your containers with soil. It's like comfy beds for your plants. Use good quality potting soil to give your plants the nutrients they need to thrive. Now the fun part, planting. Choose seeds or small plants that are suitable for your climate and the amount of sunlight your garden gets. Make little holes in the soil, pop in your seeds, and cover them up. Be sure to follow the planting instructions on the seed packet for the best results. Give your seeds a gentle shower with a watering can. Watering helps the seeds settle into the soil and provides the moisture they need to start growing. Now, be patient and watch your garden grow. It can take a few days to a few weeks for seeds to sprout, so keep an eye on them and enjoy the process. Remember to water your plants regularly and give them lots of sunshine and love. With a little care and attention, your garden will flourish and bring you joy. Some plants are super easy to grow, even for beginners. Whether you have a big backyard or just a small balcony, you can start your own garden. It's a fun and rewarding activity for all ages. Sunflowers are like sunshine on a stem, and they grow really tall. They are not only beautiful, but also attract bees and birds, making your garden lively and vibrant. Cherry tomatoes are small and sweet, perfect for snacking. They are easy to grow in pots or in the ground, and kids love picking them right off the vine. Lettuce and spinach are quick growers, and you can use them to make yummy salads. They are perfect for those who want to see fast results and enjoy fresh, homegrown greens. Herbs like basil and mint smell amazing and can be used in cooking too. Imagine the aroma of fresh herbs in your kitchen. Gardening is an adventure that engages all your senses. So, put on your gardening gloves, grab your tools, and let's get growing. It's a great way to spend time outdoors, learn about nature, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. You'll be amazed by what you can create. From tiny seeds to bountiful harvests, gardening is a journey filled with joy and discovery. Happy gardening!